video lecture, I am going to describe about foundry. So first, foundry is the plant where the casting to be performed. Or otherwise, it consisting of all the equipments and tools required for making the perfect casting. So casting is the process of making a component by pouring the molten metal into the mold cavity and allows it to solidify. This solidified component is called casting process. For the casting process, there are three processes very important. The first one is pattern making. Second one is mold preparation. And third one is mold stand preparation. So before that, we know what are the patterns, what are the pattern materials, and what is the mold used for the casting process. So the mold cavity is nothing but it is the cavity of required component. Which component to be prepared in the casting? It is called mold. Pattern is the model or replica of the required product to be prepared in the casting. There are various types of pattern materials available in the casting. The first one is wood, metal, plastics, plasters, and wax. There are some factors to be considered when selecting these pattern materials. The first one is number of components to be casted. The second one is complexity of design. And third one is properties of sand used for the mold preparation. These are the factors to be considered while selecting the pattern materials. Then there are 5 types of sand used in the casting process. The first one is green sand, second one is the dry sand, and third one is the loam sand, fourth one is the facing sand, and fifth one is the parting sand. The loam sand it consists of 50% of clay plus 50% of water. The green sand is the sand with moisture. The dry sand is nothing but is the sand without moisture. And the parting sand is used for parting the casting process. In the casting process, there are 2 types of molding plastics available. The upper portion is called as the cope, the bottom portion is called as the drag. So after the solidification process, by using parting sand, we can part the 2 layer of the molding flask. The fifth one is facing sand. The facing sand is used to prevent the burning of the casting, that is molten metal, with the sand to prevent from the burning. And then the advantages of wood for using the pattern material. The first one is wood is very cheap and it is easily available one. but it also has some disadvantages, like it absorbs the moisture content so that the wear and tear occurs. So same like this, the metal has some advantages. The metal cut is used for lot more number of the casting components production. It does not absorb moisture, so there is no wear and tear effect. So it also has some disadvantages. The first one is cost is high. The second one is the repair is very tedious process. Thank you.